police.
Something happened really seriously. We're gonna
Yeah,
turn
look at
right,
this.
third exit,
Wow,
following
look
the
at
sign
this.
for
Oh my God.
city center.
Yeah.
Something really serious
Yeah, I can
happened.
tell. Totally.
Thank God we are here, not on that road. Something happened.
Yeah, I've seen like 4 motorbike.
Can you see these red signs? Caution, raised iron work. I mean, they're working around this area, so we need to be careful when we go on the road. If we see any iron work raised, we slow down on it. We're turning right, third exit.
Yeah.
So on our approach, we come here slowly.
And check. And there is red.
Keep
Yeah,
checking,
yeah,
keep checking, okay?
Keep checking.
He's approaching.
Yeah. Keep checking. Keep checking. It's very busy, isn't it?
Okay, these are your blockers, but you didn't use them now.
Which
Can
one?
you go now?
Yeah. Not now.
Not now. You missed 2 or 3 opportunities. I think you just panicked. Can
No.
we go now? That's your blocker. Nice and slow. We go round first exit. This is second. We go round. Nice and slow. Yeah. Then we signal left. Exit there.
Yeah. Nice it.
Nice and slow here. Exit here very slowly this side.
Is this a possible?
They're working here. It's okay. Nice and slow. If we go slowly, we can assess everything. But if we go really fast, then you just miss everything.
So I missed. How many blockers did I miss?
The 2 opportunities. We slow down here again. It's a raised curb. We come this side and go. It's fine. More to this side. Just speed up and go. Not the high speed because these are raised ironwork. More to this side.
To the left, right.
Yeah. Keep it on the hold it. Hold the wheel and go. The ramp here, so slow down is your speed. I need to control your speed. Go. Go in your own lane.
Yeah, exactly.
There's 2 lanes, so we remain in this 1 lane. No, in bus lane we can go after 9:30. We can use the bus lane after now, but it's too late now because you steered there for no reason and you're not checking on your
There
mirrors.
is a bus coming.
If the bus is not, there's no bus coming now. If there's bus coming, it's okay because we can use the bus lane as well. After 9:30, we go right to go in there.
Okay. Even if there is a bus.
He'll come behind us,
Okay.
but we'll go in front. It's not 24-hour bus lane. It's after 9:30, we are allowed all day. They are here so we can make progress in this lane. In both lane to make progress. Sometimes this lane is full, so we go there. Bus lane is there's for reason because this is time bus lane. There's a when this bus lane finish there, there's a 24-hour bus lane. We are not allowed to go in there. We are allowed here after 9:30. You will see the signboard everywhere here as well. Look,
Yeah.
7:30 to 9:30.
a.m.
Yeah, a.m. in morning. So after 9:30,
7:30 in the evening until
7:30 till 9:30, we are not allowed in this lane.
okay, just that. Okay, I see.
Only for those few hours we are not allowed.
Okay.
But after that we are allowed. So after when you exit the roundabout, you need to keep in 1 lane. You don't veer to the
I've
left
seen,
or
yeah,
right.
that wasn't good. Yeah.
Yeah, that was your mistake as well. Your lane discipline when you exit the roundabout. I'll write this down so we can work on it then.
also was a little bit confusing because of the works and the...
Yeah, still, you just keep eye on it, go slowly and go in one lane. Don't veer to the left and
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
So Lonswood roundabout. Exiting. Without checking.
I did check. I checked mirrors, I signaled
Which mirror did we check?
left and center.
Why left and center?
Because there might be people in the bike that I don't see, and I'm emerging.
There was a car coming in your lane from your right, not from the left. The blue car. So you need to check center and right, not center and left.
But when?
When we exit the roundabout, there's blue car because you went in two lanes, so he went round you like this and come in our lane.
After exiting the roundabout.
After.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
you
yeah,
need to check this mirror and this first.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah.
And if you see him, slow down and then go in your own lane. If you're
Okay.
changing your lane, center, left, signal left, come in the lane.
Yeah.
But first check, then come. First check, then come.
Okay.
So that guy, he said, I've got no patience because this lady is driving in two lanes.
Yeah, that was really confusing. Because usually what I did with your husband was just going to the left hand side of the lane, just carry on
Left
there.
hand side is like, because they're working, everything is open. So we look at the speed sign.
20. I'm 17.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. It's just work-wise, everyday situation is changed. Sometimes they close the left lane, sometimes they close the right lane. Then right lane is open, left is closed. And iron work is raised now, whole road is open.
Right.
Everything is changed, like every day is changing. So you drive according to the road situation and condition on that day,
Yes.
on that moment.
Yeah.
Only you can talk about now.
Yeah.
Not for that I was driving before like this.
Yeah, no, definitely. No, I was just used to it. Where are we
You
going?
need to adapt. We're gonna go ahead. We need to adapt the
We
situation.
still have half an hour, right?
Yeah. We got half an hour. We'll discuss this when we go ahead. We need to reflect. We need to do reflection as well. And for the reflection, we need time. Because 10 minutes we need for reflection. Whatever we do and we make planning for next session. If you don't discuss your problem and you reflect on your mistakes, you're not learning then. It's hard then. Until we go there, this is going to be like 15 minutes past, 20 minutes past. And then we need 5-10 minutes to discuss the problem. Especially here, if you're making 2-3 serious mistakes on roundabouts, we need to discuss it before we move on further. Usually what I do with my other students when they do every subject without zero help, then we move on next subject. If they like give themselves like 10 out of 10 numbers, then we're moving. Because in that way they are perfect with that subject, and then we move on.
I think
Because if your score from out of 10, your score is 5, and you just you said, okay, I'm okay now, I'm gonna move on next subject. Is that okay for your?
well, it's a gamble, isn't it? And also might
How?
have long-term repercussions. That's correct.
Because scoring wise, we need to be at least from out of 10, 8, 9. Just go around the car very slow. We'll park up, we'll discuss everything, and then because I didn't park you up to give you like roundabout knowledge. I thought I'm gonna build up whatever you learn.
Okay. What is this car doing? You're coming through? Oh, it's coming in. But I have to go there.
Just stop
I'm
here.
going there.
Just stop here. He's thinking that I'm gonna go ahead.
But I'm going there.
He's very old, my God.
Because so many people here, like, there are
Slowly we're gonna
on
go
their
forward.
houses.
Okay. This housing area, we are turning right here.
Some of them, that one is a elderly home.
Okay, I thought it was the council houses here.
It's elderly home.
Why they park here like this?
Yeah, because these are the residents, right? So, but this is now we have 3 Indian guys, and they all have one car each. They're renting, right? So,
Okay.
and they're occupying all our space. So once I'll have a car, I'll tell one of them to fuck off. I don't know whom, but
Where
I own
they're
the
living?
house. In one of those houses in the back. So we have got a couple of houses that are rented, but these 3 Indian guys have 3 cars.
Are they rented or they got their own house?
No, they're renting. They know